Akenya magicurania uria marikinyanagiria maundu mao muthenya thutha wa thogora wa maguta kwambatira. President aratetera undu uyu akiuga ona ni munyako uriho kuri na maguta. Akiaria ri kaunti-ini ya Kisii, President augite thirikari ni ihuthirite ciringi bilioni 3.5 kuhonokia Akenya kuma mutego-ini wa thogora wa iguru makiria wa maguta.
You cannot compare our fuel with our region or other countries. There are countries who do not have fuel in their countries. In Kenya, we have enough fuel. We have used 6.5 billion to subsidize so that we can moderate the price of fuel in Kenya.
Mawega maya mothe akimerekeria kuri woiguano wa thirikari ya Kenya na thirikari ingi ya G2G uria ugite niguo tumite bururi wa Kenya ndukage maguta ona thogora ukorwo uri mubashirire.
Hata nchi zingine walikuja kutuuliza ni vipi nyinyi Kenya mumefanya. Hata saa hizi tuko na shida kubwa ya mambo ya Middle East. Tumekuwa na matatizo ya vita kule. Mambo ya mafuta imepanda kila sehemu. Lakini hapa Kenya tumepanga vizuri tuhakikishe ya kwamba ile bei ambayo ingeruka juu sana tuhakikishe ya kwamba tunaifanyia moderation.
No ataririe makinya maria thirikari ikinyukitie ma kunyihia magoti ma maguta akiuga igoti ria VAT riguikurukio nginyagia gicunji kia 8%.
We have also stepped in to bring down VAT from 16% to 8% for the next 3 months until we make sure that we have gone through this phase. And thirdly, we have made sure that paraffin that is used by ordinary citizens, paraffin that is used by our border circles, we have made sure that the prices don't change.
Kiraniro giake kuri Akenya aria ati thirikari ni ireka o uria ingihota gutigirira bombo cia maguta guku bururi-ini itinaga kururuma. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.